फिर से बाद में लाइए शक्कर. Hi guys, this is Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. Firstly, Happy New Year's in advance. I know a lot of people are not celebrating New Year's this time because of lockdown and Corona. But I feel that it is just so important to dress up for New Year's, no matter if you're celebrating it or not. If you are even celebrating it virtually with your friends or family, or if you're going for a party or you're calling your friends to your home, whatsoever, it's just so important to dress up. So I hope you get some inspiration from this video and go dress up, click some pictures for your Instagram, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. That is Anushka_Sethi. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So for my first outfit, I had to choose pink color because pink is my favorite color. So I chose this pink bodycon dress from Forever 21, and I'm pairing this up with a very cozy baby pink long coat. This is the same color of the dress, so it looks just all put together, and you can also be cozy in this. For the footwears, I'm going in with a pair of transparent block heels. I'll mention everything in the description box below. You can check that out from there. And I completed this look with a sling bag. Outfit number 2. How to turn an all black outfit into something interesting. So I had this shrug oblique shawl, or you can call this anything. I got this from Sarojini Nagar. It is just so warm and I love the tassels at the bottom. I paired this up with a help of a black belt to give more structure to this shawl, stole, shrug. And this is how it looked. I am completely loving this now, and I paired this up with tan colored boots to keep myself warm. Which becomes uncomfortable, but it looks so hot in pictures, so I can bear with it. I can bear with the pain actually. And here is the final look. This next outfit is kinda my type because I really like my legs to be long, and this palazzo just enhances the length of my legs and I look tall in this. I also love the broad belt it has, and my stomach looks thoda sa patla because of the broad belt. And I've paired this up with a black top from Forever 21 and a fanny pack. So this is how I really want to carry this outfit, but itni thand mein I cannot. So I'm going to pair this up with a black coat and this is a long coat as well, but I wanted to give this coat a little more structure, so I went ahead with the same fanny pack and adjusted it, and here is the final look. I am so in love with this outfit. I totally love it. And for the last outfit, which I'm very sure I'm going to wear for my New Year's party, is this very cute black skirt with white sweater, which my friend gave me, by the way, and thigh-high boots, which my sister gave me. And I totally love this. Like, I wanted to wear thigh-high boots for New Year's party from I don't know how long, and here I am done with this outfit. I am loving the color scheme and it just looks so hot. And I'm going to pair this up with a silver fanny pack, like a side bag. And this is the final look. Tell me if this looks nice in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the outfit ideas, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also a big shout out to my sister for giving me her room and helping me to set up this backdrop for this video. And I wish the best for you always. Thank you for always supporting me. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.